Attention business owners, 2020 was a year hit by unprecedented cybercrimes with many data breaches, ransomware attacks, and even sophisticated state-sponsored cyber attacks. Nearly 68% of business leaders agree global cybersecurity threats are on the rise. According to research by Cybercrime magazine, the cost of cybercrime will reach $6 trillion worldwide by 2021. And the price of ransomware damages will rise to $20 billion. The pace of cybersecurity growth is likely to continue in the upcoming years as industries invest heavily in security solutions to meet the ever-expanding range of threats and requirements. Further, the Cisco cybersecurity reports show that 50% of large organizations with a workforce of more than 10,000 spend at least $1 million on security every year. Cybercrime is not going away anytime soon. By all means, it will grow more in number, reach, and sophistication in the years to come, with some help from the COVID-19 pandemic. It is time that your business should have an effective cybersecurity system and foolproof protection, and that is why we want to make it a total non-brainer for you to get started today. Cybersecurity Master Training Guide will enable you to understand the latest trends and importance of cybersecurity in the COVID era, to learn various cyber threats, including hacking, phishing, malware, and how to prevent them, to sketch out the perfect cybersecurity budget for your company, and to adapt to new security systems in the COVID era and create a foolproof protection plan for your company. Presenting Cybersecurity Master Training Guide is a massive golden content written by skilled professionals who walk you through proven strategies to understand and prevent hacking, phishing attacks, malware, and ransomware for your business with the latest cybersecurity updates and information. This is an enormous info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. Download this fantastic guide to understand all about security in the COVID era and how to scope the threats, increases, and solutions. Hurry up before your competitors snatch your customers away forever. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.